Right guys, so welcome to another video. What we're going to do now is just fit these plates from Exclusive Registrations. Jack's going to slowly put them in the cap. There we go. So we're going to fit these from Exclusive Registrations. If you want a chance of winning these 4D plates, make sure you look at the other video and follow all the steps. They're giving away 3 sets, so shout out to him. Obviously he's looking after me with all the cars, especially Jack's car as well, which I'll show you after. So yeah, we're going to get ahead and just chuck these on the car. It's going to be a quick video. It's not going to be very long, so yeah.
Hello.
It's used enough plate tape.
Jesus.
Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Straining, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I see your name, but you're not around.
We'll skip this part.
I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me.
See guys, if Jack can do it, you can. Right guys, so now we've got the 350, the VXR, and Jack's VXR, all representing Exclusive Registrations plates. Happy Jack?
Very.
Happy Jack. So like I said, obviously check out the other video. You've got a chance to win 3 of these plates. They look absolutely awesome, so clean and crisp. Obviously you can see there the actual 4D look. Looks amazing. Right guys, so obviously we've got a few other things we want to go through. Thank you guys for who's already ordered clothing. Really appreciate it. You guys are supporting the channel massively. Also guys that are ordering stickers and all that sort of stuff. If you want to support the channel, get some merch, some clothing, some t-shirts, some hats. We do snapbacks, also do stickers and that as well for your car. Link is in the description for that if you want to support that. So and also guys, if you didn't know, obviously me and Jack do a page, Rusty's Autos. Link is in the description for that as well on Facebook. We do quotes on there for vinyl wrapping, roof wraps, all that sort of stuff. It's very cheap, to be fair. We don't charge half as much as what people do. Obviously we do the mechanical stuff as well. If you guys want any mods doing lowering springs, all that sort of stuff, services, Jack's your man. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff guys. And obviously we have worked on the 350 today, so you will see a video of that later on in the week. I think this is going to go up on Thursday, so tomorrow, because I'm recording this Wednesday. Yeah, so we have actually done something on the 350 which you'll find out next week. Interesting video, and it's a mechanical mod straight away. We've also found some other problems with the car, so but yeah. But it is going to get fixed, so don't worry about that. So like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.